What insurance do you actually need in your 20s and 30s? If you're in your late 20s or early 30s, you've probably hit a few big life milestones. Maybe you've signed a lease, bought a car, or started thinking more seriously about the future. And with all that, insurance becomes a bigger deal than it used to be. Not in a you need everything right now kind of way, but in a you've got to get more to protect kind of way. This video is a simple breakdown of the coverages that actually might matter at this stage, what they are, why they're worth thinking about, and how to avoid those surprises later on. Let's start with renters and homeowners insurance. Whether you're renting or you just bought your first home, this one's important. Renter's insurance covers your stuff, furniture, electronics, clothes, and more. If something like a fire, a theft, or water damage happens, it's usually inexpensive and can also help if you're held responsible for damage to somebody else's property, or if a guest gets hurt in your space. If you've bought a home, homeowners insurance goes further. It protects the structure, your belongings, and offers liability coverage too. One thing to keep in mind, if the cost to rebuild your home has gone up, and lately it probably has, your policy might need to be updated to make sure you're fully covered. Auto insurance. At this point, you've probably got a better car than you did at 18, and maybe more to lose if something happens. The basics like liability, comprehensive, and collision are still key, but now's a good time to take a look at your liability limits and make sure they match your life today, not your college budget. Also, if you're not driving as much, whether you work from home or just commute daily, there are usage-based insurance options that could save you some more money. Safe driver discounts, apps that track your habits. There's a lot out there that can work in your favor if you're smart about it. And life insurance. Here's the one people tend to put off, but shouldn't. Life insurance matters if someone depends on you financially. That could be a partner, kids, or even just someone who co-signed a loan with you. Term life insurance is usually the best option for this age group. It's affordable and designed to protect the people who matter to you most if something unexpected happens. The earlier you get it, the better your rates, especially if you're healthy. Tech and identity protection. So much of life is happening online now. Between banking, shopping, job hunting, and even social media, there's more personal information floating around than ever. Identity theft protection and cyber coverage can help if your data gets compromised, whether it's someone stealing your info or draining an account. Some plans even cover things like fraudulent Venmo charges, lost wages if you have to take time off to deal with the stolen identity, or support if you're hit with ransomware or cyberbullying situations. It's not something most people think about until it happens. Whether life's taking you next, it's worth being covered the right way. Give one of our trusted insurance advisors a call today at 727-748-2886 when you're ready to make that step.